Hi there. Can you believe it's almost time? Today I'm going to drill some holes in the car. No, yes. Here's some used trim. I'm going to drill the holes for these. So I want to have them drilled before I paint because I don't want to be drilling holes in this after I've painted it. To position it right, maybe tape it on there or something. And then I also am going to drill the holes for this. That's the other side, but you get the point. All right. And then all I've got to do now is finish. I'm on the final sanding of the car, sanding it down to 320, then wet sanding it to 400, and then it's ready to paint, assuming it doesn't go back down to bare metal. I'm so tired of going back down to bare metal. I also, if you look over here, I've got the dash, and I painted it flat black, and it looks too much like primer. So, and also the gas tank and the steering column. But I'm gonna paint it what's called hot rod black, I think. We'll see. I've also got to put got the exhaust in most of the way. Need to get some more hangers on that. I got this really cool thing that you put rivets in, and it gives you threads, which is gonna be super cool. So a lot to do. Here I've been doing the seats. Ding, yeah. And I've got that. I also did the sprayable, what do you call it? Lizard skin on the interior. So it's moving right along. Let's see under where the hood will be. Ta-da! It's painted black. Got the brake lines all sorted out. All that stuff's painted black. Fuel lines are in. You know, everything. I've got battery cables. I even have a battery in there. And wiper motor. So it's now becoming about assembly. I will paint here probably in the next couple days, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. All right, I've been studying, measuring, remeasuring, trying to get these lines correct. I think I've got it. If I screw it up, you know, I can always just buy a new car, okay? So, hopefully, I won't screw this up. This corner one is supposed to be 1/4 inch, and then the other ones are 5/16. It's barely a difference, but there is some difference. I'm measuring tape just to be 100% sure. Making more cuts. This should be 5 1/4 between this trim and the edge. No guts, no glory. I'm nervous. I made so many other test holes, I'm not sure which one was the right one. Okay, hold on to your hat. Here we go. Can't tell you how nerve-wracking this is from just completely changing this quarter to now drilling holes in it. Cut. I'm not the smartest. Oh yeah. Damn. Okay. So we got the holes for that. Drilled and drilled. Alright, here's the situation. I've got this thing called a RIVNUT gun because I need to put some threads to hold these exhaust pipes to the side, like so. So then I'm gonna drill a hole right here and then put this little rivet in it and then the bolt, and then we'll just hold it right there, theoretically. So all you do is put the RIVNUT, which you can't see, this thing, on the end of the tool. Screw it on, and you just muscle the crap out of it, and then loosen it as you go. I'll show you. Get that one out of the way. Push it in flush. Works. Tighten this little thing in the middle. Compress it. I could be doing this wrong, but this is the way I did it before. That's enough. I think I just broke my shoulder. And this is not the only place I'm putting this on. Oh, and I want to put some of that thread stuff on it too. But there you have it. All I'm going to do is do the same thing on the other side, and it's got this hooked to there, and now it will easily hold this out back of the car. Do something similar right here. Thanks for watching.